Hey guys, welcome to Lucky's Kitchen. Today I am going to make an Indo-Chinese recipe, that is veg Manchurian. So let's start with the ingredients first. Here the ingredients: 2 cup cabbage chopped, 1 cup carrot chopped, red chili sauce, tomato chili sauce, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon garlic chopped, 2 to 3 green chili chopped, some coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 big onion chopped, salt to taste, MSG 1 teaspoon, chicken masala 1 teaspoon, all purpose flour 2 teaspoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon soya sauce and some cooking oil. In a bowl add cabbage, carrot, coriander leaves, some green chilies, ginger garlic paste, all purpose flour, cornstarch, chicken masala, half teaspoon soya sauce, little bit MSG and some salt. Now mix it. Now mix it and make a dough from it. You can add little bit maida if needed. Now make uniform balls from the Manchurian and fry it till it golden brown. Now the Manchurian balls are golden brown. Take this out from the pan. In a bowl add 1 teaspoon cornstarch, little bit water and mix it. Heat some oil with the pan. Add garlic, red chili, saute it. Add onion, saute it. Add black pepper powder, soya sauce, tomato chili sauce, red chili sauce, pinch of MSG, little bit salt. Mix it. Pour little bit water. Add the Manchurian balls. Add cornstarch. Mix it. Now switch up this out into another serving bowl. Veg Manchurian is ready. You can have it with some rice or roti. Thanks for watching today's video. If you like my video, do subscribe and click on like button.